Hi, seniors. This is Mrs. Labar, and I'm going to deliver some quick information for you about financial aid. I know we briefly talked about it when we were in the English classrooms, but now it's time to dig in and give you some more information and also let you know of some resources that are coming soon that you and your parents can take advantage of. So you all get to start with the fill in the blank worksheet, and really this was just to get you exposed to some of the vocabulary and the different types of um, loans and financial aid programs that are available to you that you're going to be considering when you get your financial aid packages. So really we're going to focus on three types of financial aid. So number one, there's scholarships. This is money that does not need to be paid back. This money is typically awarded by the schools that you attend and or organizations outside of colleges based on your academic merit. That's why a lot of times they call this money merit-based scholarship or merit-based aid. It's based on your grades, your GPA, and your ACT or SAT test scores. Many colleges will have merit-based aid, and so depending on what your GPA and your test scores are, they will sometimes tell you what you automatically get, or sometimes you have to put in a different separate application for school or outside-based scholarships. The second type of financial aid is their loans, and this is money that students and parents may borrow to help pay for college that will need to be paid back. And then the third type are grants and work study. And these are programs that are based on your family's ability to pay your family's income. And so they're need-based programs based on your family's need or ability to pay. And these programs can help you pay for college that will not need to be paid back. Grants are need-based scholarships, basically need-based aid. And then work study is a program where you can work on campus and the money that you would earn hourly will go into your tuition account. So first of all, let's break it down a little bit more. Scholarships. This is merit aid. So that's that money that's awarded based usually on your GPA and your test scores. The bulk of your scholarship money is going to come from the schools that you attend. So that's why it's so important right now to be applying to schools, searching for schools that have generous merit aid programs, maximizing all of the money opportunities at each of the schools that you're applying to, because typically these awards are renewable for 4 to 5 years. And that's why this is the biggest bulk of your money that you'll get to help go to college. Outside scholarships are smaller, typically one-time awards, and they're given from different community organizations or institutions, and they can be used at any university. So those are ones we'll start looking for as the winter comes through. So outside scholarship searching, you can spend a lot of time searching for outside scholarships and not get very much money to show for it. So I want you to be careful. The very first place you should look is in Naviance. So if you log into Naviance, you click on Colleges at Home, and you go down towards the bottom of the page, you'll see a section that says Scholarships and Money, and then you'll see that scholarship list. This is where we put our Blue Valley West scholarships, PTO scholarship, anything that comes to us from the Overland Park community, from Blue Valley Ed Foundation, and anything local. And so this is a really good place to look first, because these are only going to be available to Overland Park, our Blue Valley community students. The next place you can look is the internet searching, and I put a couple links here in different websites that you can look at. And again, like I said, you can spend a lot of time for $1,500. And again, these are one-time awards. So while every little bit helps, it doesn't pay off in the long run, because again, if you get a good chunk of money that's just for 1 year, you really want to make sure that your applications are carrying the bulk of this work, and then these outside scholarships can supplement what you're already doing. Now, this is a video that I want everybody to watch, because this is going to tell you more about need-based aid. So teachers, if you're watching this video, pause now, switch to the other YouTube video. It's a quick 2-minute video about the FAFSA, the free application for federal student aid. Okay, so you've watched the FAFSA video. Now let's talk about the financial aid timeline. This is what your timeline this year is going to look like for senior year. So in the fall, you're going to be applying for your colleges. Many colleges have early scholarship deadlines, KU and K-State specifically on November 1st. That's their scholarship deadline. So you want to make sure that you meet any scholarship deadlines for all of the schools that you're applying to. Students, if you're applying to trade schools or Johnson County Community College, Johnson County does have a scholarship deadline. It's in the spring. I believe it's March 1st, but we need to double check on that. So it'll be in the spring. This is just for four-year schools in the fall. September 25th, that's next Tuesday night, we have our Blue Valley Financial Aid Night at Blue Valley High School for parents and students. Take advantage of it. October 1st, the FAFSA opens, free application for federal student aid. This is where you get information about loans and any need-based grants and work-study options. And that's also information that's going to come on your financial aid package from the schools that you've been accepted at. October through February, you're going to get your acceptance letters from your colleges, and then following that acceptance letter, then you're going to receive a financial aid package based on the information that you submitted in the FAFSA. Then also in October through February, you're going to search for and apply for any outside scholarships once your college applications are complete. And so even though we have a couple scholarships in the list now, those are going to keep coming in really a lot heavier starting October, November, and many of the deadlines are January, February, March. And then November 8th, that's a free FAFSA assistance evening at Johnson County Community College for anyone in the community. You don't have to be wanting to go to Johnson County Community College to go there. It's a great opportunity for you and your parents to get some help filling out the FAFSA if you haven't done it already. And then for everybody, remember, you have all the way until May 1 to decide which college to attend. So it gives you lots of good time to evaluate your acceptances, your financial aid packages, and make those last minute decisions. Again, these 2 nights are really important, and I want you to make sure you get those on the calendar for you folks. September 25th, Blue Valley Financial Aid Night. Blue Valley High School from 7 to 8:30. They're going to have financial aid representatives from local colleges. These are your experts about all things financial aid and FAFSA. And they're going to help you not just about their college, about all colleges and all financial aid information. It's a fantastic resource. If you can go next Tuesday night, I would strongly encourage it. And then November 8th, that's that FAFSA assistance evening at Johnson County. You can click on the link to get to RSVP and get more information. But again, this is open to anybody in the community and another great resource. For all of this information, this presentation and more about financial aid, resources, videos, tips, etc., remember, all these resources are in college planning in the Blue Valley West counseling page in Canvas. So go to the Blue Valley West counseling page, then click on college planning under senior year, and you'll see a whole page just with financial aid information. Share this presentation with your parents. Get started on learning more about how you're going to be able to pay for college and keep your applications going. Again, that's the best source of information and money is through the colleges that you apply to. So keep working on that now. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. You can call the colleges, the financial aid offices. They will help you, again, about all things, even at any college. They will help you with that. And pop into the counseling center. We'll try to help you as much as we can. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.